Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. Today in this video I will show you how you can disappear this type of notification on your iPhone device. Important camera message, unable to verify. This iPhone has a genuine Apple camera. So if you are getting this type of notification on your iPhone device while opening camera, so in this video I'll show you how you can fix this type of problem and how you can disappear this type of notification. So this notification basically appears when you are not using the original Apple camera. That's why it's telling you that you are not using original camera and iPhone or Apple cannot verify this type of camera. So how you can fix this type of problem on your iPhone device? So first of all, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone device. So after that, here you will have to scroll it below, then tap on general. After that, here tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after that, here you will need to tap on background app refresh, and here make sure that the background app refresh toggle is turned on and all the below toggles are also turned on. Then after that, here you will have to close this tab. After that, here you will need to restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, and then here you will have to hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the iPhone screen. Here hold the finger until the Apple logo appears. So now you will have to release your thumb. Now let's your iPhone device to restart. Here wait for a few moments. So after that, here you will need to unlock your iPhone device. After that, here you will have to open camera on your iPhone device. So here is camera, just simply tap on this. Then here you can see that now the problem has been fixed and now that notification is not appearing on my camera. So here you can see that the problem has been fixed. So this is a way through which you can fix this type of problem if you are getting this type of notification on your camera on your iPhone device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.